Welcome to Ritu Stories. Can you imagine the aroma of basmati rice along with some prawns and various herbs and spices added to it? Yes, that's the prawn biryani. Today we are going to make a little bit of a variety from the regular prawn biryani. We are going to be making the Kolkata prawn biryani. The beauty of the Kolkata prawn biryani is that it's much lesser in spices and heat compared to the Hyderabadi biryani, but it is much more flavorful. And the main ingredient of this prawn biryani is aloo. So the ingredients that we need are some basmati rice. So I've taken around 2 cups of basmati rice and some prawns. So this is the size, this is a medium sized prawns. Other than that, I have taken some haldi, some chilli powder, some kesar, this is around half a cup of milk, salt as per taste, pepper. This is the biryani masala. So I'll give in the description box how to make the biryani masala at home. 3 potatoes, 5 to 6 of cardamom, 6 cloves, a few of, I have broken these star anises, these are actually, around 2 inch of cinnamon stick. You can take around 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder also, 50 grams of ginger garlic paste, 3 onions, like medium sized onions. I've taken around half a cup of cut onions, and that's it. First, we'll make the birista with 3 onions. Add the kesar to the lukewarm milk and keep it aside. We will long cut the onions for making the birista. Put some ghee in the pan, or you can, if you want, you can even add some white oil. Add the onions and fry until it's crisp in texture. Remember to check on the onions at this point of time, because the onions tend to get from brown to burnt really fast. So keep an eye on it. So as you can see that the onions have become a light brown, so we'll probably fry a little more. At this point my birista is ready. So we'll now peel the potatoes. You don't need to cut the potatoes, keep it as a whole. That is the unique thing of the Bengali biryani. I've added some turmeric, a little bit of salt and a pinch of the biryani masala. Marinate the potatoes with that. You can use the same oil or the ghee that you have added in the pan for frying the onions. Cover the pan so that the potatoes get fried. In the meanwhile, while the potatoes are getting fried, we will blend the birista and the cut onions. So we'll add half of the birista, Next we'll go for marination of the prawns. We will add onion paste, the ginger garlic paste, this is the biryani masala, a little bit of chilli powder, salt as per taste, so if you have curd, it's the best. You can add curd at this point, but since I don't have it, I'll be using tomatoes. So now we'll be making a tomato puree. I repeat again, if you have curd, please use that. So my puree is done and I'll add it to the marinated prawns. We'll mix it properly and keep it aside for 20 minutes. You can see my potatoes are fried now. So I'll take them. And I'll also take whatever oil or ghee that I have used. Add some pepper in case you want a spicy effect. Mix the potatoes properly with the prawns. Here I have taken a microwave safe bowl. In case you don't have microwave, you can just pressure cook it. It's completely up to you. You can even use a frying pan and just put the whole mixture and in a low flame for at least 10 minutes. You can even do that. Pressure cook the prawns for 10 minutes. Next we'll move on with the rice. I've added around 2 cups of basmati rice. I'll be adding 3 cups of water to it. Remember that you have to half boil the rice. Add some star anise, some cloves, crushed cardamom, a dollop of ghee and mix properly. I've added a pinch of salt here. You can pressure cook this also. You need to pressure cook this. Since I have a microwave safe bowl, I have used it, but you can definitely pressure cook it. So my prawns are done. Keep it for around 10 minutes. So since my rice is half boiled now, I'll take 2/3 of the rice out. Here is the main part of biryani. We'll be making the layers. So the first layer is rice. In the second layer, we'll be adding the potatoes. In the third layer, we'll be covering the potatoes with rice again. I've crushed some Sri Lankan cinnamon. You can add some garam masala in the middle part also in case you want that. We'll cover the potatoes now properly with the rice. The next layer will be of prawns. I've again covered the prawns with rice, and I'll be adding the leftover birista. Add the kesar milk mixture. I have spread some coriander. This is definitely optional. Cover it, and you have to cook this for at least 20 minutes. Once the cooking is done, don't open right away. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes, and after that you'll get this beautiful prawn biryani ready. It seriously tastes so good. It just can't get any better.